I'm making this video for Bolex users and Bolex sellers for the P1, P2 and similar models who wish to test them. So how do you do that? Well, first you flip it over just like that. You will locate the turn key. Flip it up. Give it about 10 cranks. It takes 22 max. Turn it around. Locate the open key for the film door. Flip it up. Turn it. Open it up and press the film button on the pistol grip right there. That's it. You have just tested the camera for the Bolex P2, P1 and similar models. When you wind this right here, flip up the turn key, it turns clockwise. Flip it down. 22 turns max. Do not overwind it. Stop it at 22. Bolex claims that you cannot overwind it, but you can. Alright, hope this helps everyone who's selling their Bolex cameras or buying them. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.